Well, my dear, the last video it was loaded till the point number 3, and now let's begin with the point number 4. Now, my dear, as I told you, these three concepts are very important with this particular topic. Now, what the fourth point you are supposed to use here, you are supposed to use a Snell's law. Now, my dear, when I use Snell's law, by Snell's law, so when you use this concept of the Snell's law here, my question is, everybody know that light is going from medium 1 to medium 2. Everybody can see. So in Snell's law, if it is going from medium 1 to medium 2, can I write on this as it is coming from which medium? Medium 1, so here it is medium 1. Going in medium 2, so here it is medium 2. I hope it is clear. Now my dear, you all know that this can be written as mu 2 divided by mu 1. Use my refractive index ka entire video. This can be written as mu of 2 with respect to mu of 1. Because this is mu of 2 with respect to 1. That can be written as mu 2 divided by mu 1. And this I have written on what basis? Light coming from medium 1, very right. Going in medium 2, it should be written this way. And this is equal to, I have taught this also, what angle is made in medium 1? Because medium 1 is first, because from here the light entered. So what angle is made in medium 1? Because I told you jahan se light aata hai, that angle should be in numerator. So what angle is made in medium 1? I. And what angle is made in medium 2? R. So here it will be sin I divided by sin R. But my dear, I told you angle I and angle R are very small, because sine of any angle, because I told alpha, beta, gamma, I, R, this all are very small angle. So if they are very small angle, sine or tangent of that angle is equal to angle itself. So yes, sin I will become I and sin R will become R. Am I clear? Because here I can write, since angle I and angle R are very small, so sine of I will become I and sine of R will become R. So now from here, my dear, what I will get? Therefore, here it is mu 2. Here it is mu 2. My dear, here this one, this mu of 2 with respect to 1, everybody should know that it can be written this way. Because now we require this, this and this. So now mu 2 into R, mu 2 into R is equal to mu 1 into I, or I can write mu 1 into I, mu 1 into I is equal to mu 2 into R. This is my equation number 6. And I will proceed from here onward, that this is mu 1 I and mu 2 R. You all can see I is alpha plus gamma and R is gamma minus beta. I hope it is clear. So here I will write, therefore, this is mu 1, I is alpha plus gamma is equal to mu 2 and R is gamma minus beta. This I got equation 7 from equation 1 and 2. So this is, I will put it as equation number 7, that this is mu 1 gamma plus alpha is equal to mu 2 gamma minus beta. You can see this equation, and my dear, here is the end of the concept number 4. Now my dear, you know alpha is this. How much is alpha? Alpha is Mn upon Po. How much is gamma? Gamma is Mn upon Pc. Again here is gamma, it is Mn upon Pc. And here it is beta, beta is Mn upon Pi. So now I will order, substitute equation number 3, 4, 5 in equation number 7. So let's substitute equation 3, 4, 5 in 7. We will get the value. So now let us substituting equation 3, 4 and 5 in 7. So now here mu1, what is equation 7? Mu1 alpha plus gamma is equal to mu2 gamma minus beta. This is my equation number 7. So now this is therefore mu1, what is alpha? Alpha you can see mn upon po, right? Plus gamma. Gamma is mn upon pc is equal to mu2, again gamma. Gamma is mn upon pc minus mn upon pi. Beta is mn upon pi. Gamma is mn upon pc. Gamma is mn upon pc. Alpha is mn upon po. Now my dear, on the left side numerator carrying mn. On the right hand side also numerator carrying mn. So it will be cancelled from both the side. Now what will be the answer? Therefore this is mu1 1 by po plus 1 by pc is equal to mu2 1 by pc minus 1 by pi. This can be written as mu1 upon po plus mu1 upon pc is equal to mu2 upon pc minus mu2 upon pi. I have multiplied with the mu1 and mu2 to the bracket. So I said only 4 points are concepts. Rest all is the substitution, my dear. Now substitute the next. Therefore, this is mu1 upon po. You can see po is how much in the diagram? Po is minus u. So here it is minus u plus mu1 upon pc. You can see pc is plus r. So here it is plus r in the diagram is equal to mu2 upon pc, that is r plus r again, minus mu2 upon pi. You can see pi is plus v. And this I will obtain from figure. So now my dear, what should I do? I will keep u and v in this equation, in entire equation, I will keep u and v on one side, u term and v term on one side, and r terms on one side or on the other side. So here it is. Can I write on this mu1 upon minus u as minus mu1 upon u, because this is mu1 upon minus u, can be written as minus mu1 upon u, and this mu2 upon v is brought on this side, plus mu2 upon v, this is minus, right? It is brought on this side. I said u and v is taken on one side, is equal to mu2 by r on this side already, and this will be taken on that side, minus mu1 by r. Now my dear, you can see here it is minus and here it is plus. So here I will write, rearranging the terms, so here I can write mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u. This is in plus now, so I have written first, and this is in minus, I have written afterward, is equal to, here you can see my dear, denominator is carrying the same LCM, that is r, so numerator will be added, subtracted as it is given. So here it is mu2 minus mu1, and this is the answer for this question, my dear. This is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. I will tell you here the speciality of this equation. First, you note it down, then I will tell you what you are supposed to look in your exam whenever these derivations are there. So let me tell you the speciality of the last equation, mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. What is special in that? What is you are supposed to use the logical thinking in that? That I will tell you right now. So please note it. My dear, what is the importance of this equation mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r? It's my request, whenever you are writing these answers in exam, please don't leave your paper as it is. you can verify whether your answer is coming correct or it is coming incorrect. According to the question and according to the formula which you are getting, final formula which you are obtaining, and looking to the question, you can confirm it, you can verify it. How? Look at it. My dear, looking to my diagram, only diagram is such a important, then only you can do the numericals. So I will do the numericals also. Looking to my diagram, you can see image, that is V, is for image distance. Everybody know. This V is obtained in which medium? mu2. So my V in the formula, whenever I will write in the formula the placement of that V, that should be with mu2. It cannot be mu1 by V. Absolutely wrong. Then you should understand that somewhere you are going wrong. Please, you take this point, very important point I am sharing with you. Because my V is obtained in mu2 and my U, my object distance is obtained in mu1. So now, what is the rule? And whenever I write the equation, first I write the equation by V and then U. You remember 1 by V plus 1 by U. Whenever we write mirror formula, no doubt 1 by U plus 1 by V is also the right answer. But my dear, there is a method, there is a manner that our length formula is very good. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. If from class 10th, everybody know length formula 1 by V. मतलब पहले V term आता है, then U term आता है. So whenever we write these equations or to do the numericals, we will write first V term, then U term and then R term. Okay. So R is not a difficult math for us. Only you have to see this, that V is observed in mu2, that is medium 2. So it is mu2 by V. And U is observed in mu1, that is rarer medium, because question is cat, object is in rarer medium. So it should be mu1 by U. Because I have taken mu1 as a rarer medium ka refractive index. And why minus? Sir, object is in minus. So it is minus mu1 by U. Because object distance always minus. It is to be kept left. So always it will be minus in any 6 equations. So I hope you are getting me. And right side you can see from here what I have written at the top, mu2. What I have written here top, mu1. What is there in between? Minus. So as it is, I will write there. This is mu2 minus mu1. You can see mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. But if it is mu1 minus mu2 here, then here I would have written mu1 minus mu2. This is logical things I am giving with the equation. I will show you other diagram also, and then I will make you to understand. I am confirmed you will understand. But right now the mu2 is obtained with image distance and mu1 is with object distance. So it is mu2 by V minus mu1 by U. Minus concept I have given because object distance is always in minus. It will be minus mu1 by U. So what is important? U के साथ mu1 आना चाहिए because U is with mu1 and V is with mu2. So here on the right side you can write as it is. Upper numerator mein it is mu2 and then minus mu1. So here I have written mu2 minus mu1 common divided by r. It shows that the convex surface has a radius of curvature positive. Positive radius of curvature you can see for the convex surface. Numerical के लिए याद रखो that for a convex surface the radius of curvature is positive and for concave it is negative. You can see in the diagram, sir, it is for convex it is positive radius of curvature. Okay. After this, my dear, there is one assumption taken by the science. Suppose let mu1 is air medium. Ri of air medium. So if it is refractive index of air medium, it is 1. And mu2 is Ri of denser medium. Ri of denser medium, let it is taken as mu, let, that is my supposition, let. That Ri of air medium, which is mu1 in the diagram, is taken as 1 because it is air. I decoded. Earlier it was rarer. Now it become air. So answer is 1. And Ri of denser medium, I have taken mu because I told you any medium Ri can be taken as mu, medium Ri. Okay, air Ri is confirmed, it is 1. So now what will be happen to the equation? Therefore, this is mu2 is become mu. So this will become mu by V minus 1 by U. Mu by V minus 1 by U is equal to mu minus 1 by R. take care of this part. But this is after the assumption that the first medium is taken as air and second medium, that is denser medium, is taken as mu. Then I got the formula mu by v minus 1 by u. I repeat, mu by v minus 1 by u is equal to mu minus 1 whole divided by r. So here, my dear, the first topic on the real image by the convex surface where the object kept in the rare medium is over. Now I will take all 5 topics very quickly, so that because I explain you with the 50 minutes lectures or 55 minutes lecture with one topic. So now the rest 5 topic I can take very fast. Okay, so let's begin with the second topic now. Now let us go for the next by using the convex surface again, because I told there are 6 questions, so I have finished one. Now we will go fast. Object kept in rarer medium, image form is virtual. Now my dear, object kept in rarer medium. Object is rarer medium. Object should be placed to the left only. So how should I draw the convex surface? Again, I hope the diagram is this. This is my denser medium. Because for convex surface, here it is denser medium, first surface, and here it is rarer medium. Now we will fast. Let the refractive index is mu1, let the refractive index is mu2. This is medium 1, this is medium 2. Here is the pole. And this is the principal axis. But now this time the image is virtual. So what you have to conscious about? That image is not formed on the other side, it will form on the same side. Okay. So now my dear, let us take, here I have taken the object, and this is a point object, and let the incident rays go like this. Diagram is very important. So this is incident ray. Incident ray. And it will incident at point M as usual. I am taking all alphabet common. Now my dear, again, if the face of the surface is like this, of course the center of curvature will be on this side. Am I clear? Because again it is a convex surface and facing this way. So if I draw the surface, spherical surface like this, the center of curvature came here. So here it is the center of curvature. Earlier also the center of curvature is on this side. Okay. But as far as rarer medium is concerned, my dear, diagram will be for convex surface will be looks like this way only. But if I said object is in the denser medium, I will show you my third question. So the surface will be like this for convex. So denser medium will be came here, right, as I have drawn in my first video. So now this is point M and this is center of curvature. So let us draw the normal first, because with the help of normal we will come to know that it is bent away or towards, right? So this is the normal I have drawn. You all know that incident, this is a normal, so this will become incident angle I. You can see. Now my dear, since the image is virtual, so and this is your incident ray, so it will be bent rarer to denser, so it will be bent away from the towards the normal or away from the normal. It will be bent towards the normal, because the light going from rarer medium to denser medium. So when it is going from rarer medium to denser medium, it will be bent towards the normal. Means the bending is something like this. And this I can draw and forming the image here. You can see here the image is forming on this side, because the ray is bending towards the north. So now you can see in the diagram that the ray, this is the incident ray, OM is the incident ray, and it is bending. You can see my bending by figure. Please see the figure, because this is tough figure. It is bending, you can see, towards the normal, because I am drawing the incident ray like this, and here is a surface and I am bending like this. You can see little bit like this. You can see here. So it is bending towards the normal, my dear. It is not going away from the normal. Take care. It is bending towards the normal. and that ray, this ray, refracted ray, is produced back. Can you see this? It is producing back, and here is the image obtained, and this image which is obtained is on the same side of the object. And therefore, my dear, we can say this is the virtual image. So here you can see this ray which is refracted, this ray, this is the refracted ray, because here it is a banding. But here you can see this banding is towards the normal. If it is away from the normal, then of course this ray would have gone this way from the surface. अगर ये away होता तो सर ये normal से ऐसे जाता, because this is a normal, you can see, and this is your surface. So here it incident and it will be go like this. But my dear, since it is coming from air to denser, so of course it will be bent towards the normal. You can see the banding is little towards the normal. So please take care of this diagram, because ultimately light going from air to denser, so it cannot bend away from the normal, it will come towards the normal. So here my diagram is showing with that. So diagram is very important for this part. Now here again the same concept, my dear. You can see this is your incident ray, this one, and this is your refracted ray. So here it is angle R, but here it is angle I, because normal, this is a normal ray, MC is a normal ray, so normal ray and refracted ray, this is your refracted ray. So normal and refracted ray make angle R, and normal and incident ray is making angle I. Okay. Apart from this, I told you incident ray with the principal axis make alpha, refracted ray with principal axis make beta, and normal ray with principal axis make gamma. Apart from this, the other thing is to mark is the distance from P to O is minus U, from P to I is minus V, because they are the distance measured against the direction of the ray of light. Direction of incident ray is this way, and they are measured against it. And the distance from P to C is plus R. So I hope the diagram is clear for this question, and this is what I wanted to say. Once again you can see incident ray is going like this. My dear, if it will be go this way, because this is your surface. So if, and this is your normal. So अगर ये ऐसे जाता बाबू, this way if it is going, then I will say it is bending away from the normal. But you can see it is bending this way. So if it is bending this way, so it will be come at the back, and it will meet on the principal axis. So please see the diagram carefully, that how it is bending towards the normal, and if it is going this way, my dear, I have moved this ray to this way, so then it will be bent away from the normal. But right now it is bending towards the normal. You can see with the diagram carefully. Now let's start for the concept that what angle we are getting, how we to solve this, what will be the answer for this question, and how to prove this. Am I clear? Or I can draw angle, the refracted angle, this refracted angle can be drawn here also, because this is your refracted ray which I produced here on the same side of the object. This also refracted angle, because here this entire line is your refracted ray. So either I can put refracting angle here, or I can put it over here also, no issue. So if I put it over here, so I no need to mark here, because that image is virtual. So I produce this ray, refracted ray, at the same side of the object, and refracting angle I marked on this side, you can see in the diagram, and this is angle of incident. So now it is complete diagram, and the last, my dear, I have to draw the perpendicular. So let us draw the perpendicular from M to N in this way. This is the perpendicular drawn. So this is the complete diagram. Now let's start. First concept, in triangle MOC. In triangle MOC, can you see MOC? MOC, who is the exterior? I think MOC triangle, who is the exterior? MOC, I said MOC, who is the exterior? MOC. That is, you can see I is the exterior. So in triangle MOC, I is equal to alpha plus gamma. Exterior angle theorem. I is equal to alpha plus gamma is your exterior angle theorem. I am sure about it. Again I am getting the same concept, that is angle I is equal to alpha plus gamma, because MOC is this much. So I is exterior, alpha and gamma is interior. Now in triangle MIC, so what is in triangle MIC? Now see MIC, this much, the bigger one. So for MIC, I think, my dear, you can see who is exterior. MIC. So beta and gamma. Beta, because I के लिए beta बन रहा है और C के लिए gamma बन रहा है. So beta and gamma are interior and R become exterior. You can see R is exterior, MIC triangle में R is exterior, beta and gamma is interior. So R is equal to beta plus gamma. Exterior angle theorem again. R is equal to, this is exterior angle and the triangle is MIC. So it is beta plus gamma. First step is over. Now second step, my dear. So this is your first condition. The second condition, tan alpha. In triangle MNO, tan of alpha become alpha, and that is equal to Mn. That is equal to Mn upon NO. That can be written as Mn upon PO, because N and P are very close. So tan alpha is equal to alpha, that is equal to Mn upon NO. That is equal to Mn upon PO. Mn upon NO, adjacent. But NO can be written as PO. Now similarly in triangle MNC or MNI. In triangle MNI, what is the tan beta? Tan beta is equal to beta, that is equal to Mn upon Ni, or then be written as Mn upon Pi. So nice. So this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2, this is your 3, and this is 4. Now similarly in triangle MNC, tan of gamma is equal to gamma, that is equal to Mn upon Nc, can be written as Mn upon Pc, that is equation number 5. Now concept number 3, by using Snell's law. By using Snell's law. So if I use the Snell's law, my dear, how I will go for Snell's law? You all know that the light going from medium 1 to medium 2. So here it is medium 1 to medium 2 can be written as medium 2 divided by mu 2 divided by mu 1. अभी बताया था mu 2 divided by mu 1. See my all earlier video for refractive index, because light going from 1 to 2. So it is 1 first before mu and then 2. You will read this as mu of 2 with respect to 1 equal to mu 2 upon mu 1. And which angle is forming 1? Sin I. Which angle is forming medium 2? Here, therefore I have put R. Earlier I have put R here also, but I told this is opposite, vertically opposite, and refracting angle is actually dropping the denser medium. I produced it in the rarer medium so that the image is virtual. It's not a real image, it is a virtual image, because I have produced this actually refracted ray at the back on the same side of the object. So it is mu 1 it is in mu 2 the angle is R, and in 1 the angle is I. So this is sin R. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now so you know that this is sin I is I divided by R, because angle I and angle R are very small. So I hope you understood this step. Once again see that light is coming from medium 1 and going in medium 2. So what angle is formed in medium 1? Sir, I angle. What angle is formed in medium 2? R angle. So it will be sin I divided by sin R, because जहाँ से light आती है उसका angle is written in the numerator, जहाँ light जाती है that angle is written in denominator. That is so I have told so many times. But mu of 2 with respect to 1 can be written as mu 2 upon mu 1. Now my dear, looking to this step and this step, what is the answer? Therefore this is mu 2R is equal to, or you can write mu 1I is equal to mu 2R. Mu 1I is equal to mu 2R. Put this as equation number 6. I hope यहाँ तक आपको clear है. Everything you are understanding, and this is the diagram for virtual image. So now my dear, this step, after this everybody know what they are supposed to do. I have the value for I have the value for R. I will substitute equation 1 and 2. So here I will write, by substituting equation 1 and 2 in 6. So this will be mu 1 into I. I is how much, beta? You can see in the figure. I is alpha plus gamma is equal to mu 2 R. R is beta plus gamma. Now this is mu 1 alpha. Alpha is Mn by Po plus gamma is Mn by Pc is equal to mu 2. Beta is Mn by Pi plus Mn by Pc. Now this will be mu 1. You all know Mn will be gone. So this is mu 1 by Po plus 1 by Pc is equal to mu 2 1 by Pi plus 1 by Pc. This will give me mu 1 upon Po plus mu 1 upon Pc is equal to mu 2 upon Pi plus mu 2 upon Pc. I hope you are getting this all. So now the next step, this will give me mu 1 upon Po, that is minus u, see the figure, plus mu 1 upon Pc, that is plus R, is equal to mu 2 upon Pi minus V plus mu 2 upon R. Equation number 7. Here I will write, rearranging equation 7, we get, so as soon as I rearrange the equation 7, after 6 I have done here, as soon as I rearrange the equation, my dear, I told you, take all u and v on one side and take r on one side. So here u is already here, I will bring this v on this side. So this will be mu 2 by v, because it is in minus. When it will be come on this side, it become plus, and u is in on this side only, it will be remain minus. That can be written as minus mu 1 by u, because mu 1 divided by minus u can be written as minus mu 1 by u, is equal to mu 2 by r is on that side, and this I will take on that side, minus mu 1 by r. Don't confuse while rearranging the equation. I told you u and v should be bring on one side, and u and v में भी जब आप इसको one side लाते हो, take care that v should be starting with first. Equation should start with denominator v for any 6 question. Now this will be, my dear, I hope it is clear. This can be written as mu 2 by v minus mu 1 by u is equal to mu 2 minus mu 1, because r is the same denominator, and this is the answer. Oh God, what? It's a very surprised. I have changed the topic, but the formula is still same. So nice to do the numerical. So what you studied, what you understood from the topic, sir, image is real or image is virtual? Image is real or image is virtual, the formula is not based on that. The formula is based on object kept in which medium. Since again here you can verify a formula, object kept in rarer medium, मतलब rarer medium have a refractive index of mu1, मतलब mu1 के साथ में u should be there, mu1 with u. Here I understood that image is again forming in the mu1 only. You can tell me this because image तो mu1 में मिल रहा है, but why you have written mu2? No, my dear, image was actually here. Image was actually in denser medium, but I have produced it back to the rare medium. So actually the image still I am getting in the denser medium only. But I have virtual image of that. The virtual image is there, the question may. Since the image is virtual, so I produce that refracted ray which I am obtaining in denser medium in the rarer medium this way. You can see. I hope it is clear. So what I have observed, my dear, the formula is still same. There is no effect by the real image or virtual image. There is a effect on the formula if the object is kept in rarer medium or it is kept in the denser medium, then it will affect the formula. It is not affect the formula whether I am using convex surface, whether I am using concave surface. Formula is one and only one. Actually there are two formula. One for object kept in rarer medium, any spherical surface. It can be concave, convex, image can be real, virtual. The important is that object kept in rarer medium, one formula, that is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. This is only the formula for object kept in rarer medium. Please make a note of this. Whether it is a concave, whether it is a convex, it doesn't make a sense. Whether it is a real image, whether it is a virtual image, it doesn't affect the formula. The formula is get affected by the term object kept in which medium. If it is rarer medium, the answer is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. But if it is a denser medium, if object is kept in, अभी बात कर लेता हूँ, if object is kept in denser medium, so my dear, mu2 के साथ में the refractive index denser medium का is mu2. So mu2 के साथ में you will get u and mu1 के साथ you will get v. So formula will become mu1 by v. Mu1 by v. Why? Because object is in which medium? Denser medium. So image is forming the rarer medium. Refraction ना, image will form in the rarer medium. Rarer medium का RI क्या होता है? mu1. तो मैंने बोला है कि already you have to start with v. So image कहाँ मिलेगा? Rarer medium में. So here it will be mu1 by v minus mu2 by u. Because object kept in denser. And this will be mu1 minus mu2. Mu1 minus mu2 divided by r. So there are two formulas, my dear, to do all 6 questions. One, by keeping object in rarer medium. While solving numerical, you have to focus on this. Rest, concave, convex, real image, virtual image does not affect the formula. Only when I start substituting in numericals, their r value, u value will sometime it will be, u is always minus, but their r value will be sometime plus, sometime minus, depend upon it is convex or concave. But my dear, as far as formula is concerned, sir, formula is only two formula. One for object kept in rarer medium and other for object kept in denser medium. So here I will stop from my side about your second video. Now I will upload the denser medium for object kept in denser medium. Look at that formula also. And then we will go for the numericals.